Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the currency on the Zara app using your phone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the Zara app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Now make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see this interface of the app. If you explore the products right now, here you can see all the prices are in US dollars. So in order to change the currency, you need to go to your profile. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Here at the top, you will see several menus. Scroll it to the right and you can see the settings option. Tap on it. Now in the settings menu, you can see the store option over here. Tap on it. Now you need to change the location of your store in order to change the currency. Right now, United States is selected, and here you can see other region option. Tap on it to change your location. You can select your country. I'll choose United Kingdom for now. Select the language. And now you are logged out of your account, so you need to log back in. Again, tap on the profile icon at bottom. Now enter your login details and simply log into your account. After you log back in, if you explore the products page, now you can see the currency in pounds. So that's it. You've successfully changed the currency on your Zara app. Now you can shop with price displayed in your preferred currency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.